Hey! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Following that, just type iOS Launcher. Now install this free app from this developer and click on Open. Over here, select Allow in the pop-ups and tap Home button. Then click on iOS Launcher, select Always, firstly OK apparently, then click Got it, click on Home button, select Always, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!